Hey guys, welcome to Proto Point. How to host a website on Amazon AWS server using WordPress instance. Okay, so let's begin by creating a WordPress instance on AWS server. Okay, so now we are in our Amazon AWS dashboard. So let's create an instance of WordPress. So for that, just go to services, compute, and here EC2. And then just scroll down and you may see a launch instance button being shown, so just go over there. Okay, so as we are going to launch a WordPress website, so we need a AWS WordPress instance, so just search for WordPress over here. Okay, so you can see there are various instances that you can make use of. So we will make use of this first one, that is WordPress certified by Bitnami and Automatic. Okay, so I will just select it. Okay, so you can see there is a free tier. So free tier means if the Amazon server provides you 750 of hours to use their server for free of cost. So there are some criterias. After that you may be charged. So it provides you something, say 30 GB of monthly space being utilized of the system. So if you extend more than that, then you will be charged, or else there will be no charge for this type of server. Okay, so let's create it. Okay, so you can just check out, or you can just increase the speed of the server by selecting some other package over here. Okay, so I will just keep it as it is. Okay, and just continue. Okay, confirm. Okay, so you can see over here it is providing me a 10 GB of space on my server, and here there is information being said about the meaning of what is free tier exactly. So you can see, as I said, 750 of hours, so it is yearly. So before it was month. Okay, so you can make use of 30 GB of space with it and 100 GB of bandwidth of internet. Okay, so you can just read more about it. Okay, so just click on this launch instance. Okay, so I think it gave me an error or a warning, so I need to create a key pair name. Okay, so this is required if I am making use of WinSCP or FileZilla to get connected to our server. So let me create a key pair test world. Okay, so you can just name it anything, and you must make sure it is in SAP, so you can't share this file with any other parties. Okay, so just create it. Okay, so it has been created. So this can be used to get connected to our Amazon server by making use of WinSCP and anything else. So in this video tutorial there is no need of this file. Okay, but we need to create it. Okay, so now let's click on this launch instance. Okay, so this may take up to 10 to 15 minutes to get created, the instance being created. Okay, so let's wait for 15 minutes. So I will just skip the video till there. Okay, so it got created within 1 minute, I think so. So I just thought of it may take up to 15 minutes, but it got created in 1 minute. So just click on this. So it will just take you to our server instance. Okay, so our instance is running and it has been initializing. So let's check if it is working or no. So just copy this IP address, the public IP address, and paste it in your URL. And here we have built a WordPress, so just enter a word WP admin over here. Okay, so I think so it is still not yet ready to be used. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so as you can see over here, our WordPress is ready and you can see the login page to our WordPress dashboard. So for now I need a username and password to get logged in. So for that, just go to your AWS server instance. Okay, so select the instance that we have created. So this is the instance that I have created just now. Okay, and here just go to action, monitor and troubleshoot, get system logs. Okay, so here in this page you will see a log files been generated. So it is not been showing now because we have just now created our instance, so it may take some time. Okay, so let's wait for it. So in this logs you will find your login credential for our WordPress account. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so you can see our log files are being generated, so you can just scroll this. Okay, so let me search. Okay, so you can see over here the setup password is this and the username is user. So just go to your WordPress and type it. So password is password and login. Okay, so now you can see I am being signed in into my WordPress dashboard. So you can just customize your WordPress now. Okay, so let's check out our website. So you can see this is the dummy or a starting point of our WordPress account or a website. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point. Thank you.